Good morning, student. This is Dhiren sir. I welcome you all in online classes. This is my YouTube channel. In this channel, you will see the video that I will provide you in the online class. Students, today is your first class of computer. So first of all, I will tell you that which book you have to purchase. You have to purchase this book. I open this book. This one. See this book. Cyber Beans Computer Application. This is new book. Hmm? You have to purchase uh, this book. Some students have old book, so there is some changes in the syllabus. So students, please purchase this book. Now students, in your syllabus, I will start your chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is your computer system. This is your computer system, chapter number 1. In this chapter, you have to read about the what is computer, characteristics of computers, what are the application of computers, advantage, disadvantage, and many more. Now students, let's start today's class, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So students, let's start. Computer system. The first thing is, what is a computer? In every class you learn the definition of computer. What is computer? From class 4th you read the definition of computer, and from class 4 to class 8 you read about the computer definition. So computer, the word computer is derived from compute. Compute means to calculate. A computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of tasks by executing a given set of instructions. Means computer, the instructions that given by the users are executing by the computer. Computer, very versatile device, or you can say that it is a versatile machine. Versatile means it can handle multiple tasks like documentation, accounting, busting, entertaining, airlines, railways, booking, weather forecasting, and many other tasks. So you can say that the computer is a versatile machine. Or another definition that I will tell you about the computer. Computer is an electronic machine which can perform a variety of applications according to the set of instructions given by the user. यूजर जो इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट कंप्यूटर उसको क्या करेगा, आपका एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. दिस कंप्यूटर जो पिक्चर में आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज डेस्कटॉप, है ना. एवरीवन नोज अबाउट दिस इज ए डेस्कटॉप. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, योर सेकंड टॉपिक इज characteristics of a computer. What is a characteristics of computer? First characteristics of the computer, or you can say characteristics of computer, or what are the strengths of a computer. Suppose question comes, what are the characteristics of a computer, or what are the strengths of a computer? Both are same term. So first strength of computer is the speed. Everyone knows that about the speed of the computer. It can calculate much faster than the human. पता है सबको कि without making any mistake it can perform speedily the work. Normal person would complete a specific task in a few hours, whereas the same task is finished by computer within the fraction of a second. Means first strength of a computer is the speed. Second strength, accuracy, means the work that you perform in computer is accurate, means correct. जो भी आप काम दोगे कंप्यूटर को करने के लिए, वो क्या करेगा, बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट उसका आएगा. जब तक आप गलत इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दोगे. अगर आप उसको गलत इंस्ट्रक्शन दोगे तो क्या होगा, वो गलत रिजल्ट देगा. अदरवाइज इफ यू गिव द correct instructions, then it will produce the accurate result. Third characteristics of your computer is reliability. Computer is more reliable than human beings as it never gets tired or bored of the repetitive task. रिलायबल कौन ज्यादा है आपका? ह्यूमन बीइंग से कंप्यूटर ज्यादा है। चाहे जितनी देर आप उसको काम करते रहो, कराते रहो, ना ही तो वो बोर होगा और ना ही वो टायर्ड होगा. सो यू कैन से दैट it is more reliable than a human beings. Now next strength is your storage capacity. Computer can store a large amount of data in its memory. आपके कंप्यूटर की कितनी मेमोरी है, आपने कितने की आपने उसमें हार्ड डिस्क यूज की है, आप जितनी कैपेसिटी की आपकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है उसकी उतना ही ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा यू कैन स्टोर इन योर कंप्यूटर. ठीक है, दिस कैन बी रिट्रीव्ड व्हेनेवर रिक्वायर्ड. जब आपको जरूरत हो उसको आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट strength of your computer is versatility. Computer can perform various types of jobs. For example, one can enjoy listening to music while typing in MS Word. While working on any package, we can play games, do calculations, make animations, surf the net, send emails. मतलब versatility means feature कि इसकी different types of tasks it can perform at the same time. एक ही टाइम पे आप मान लीजिए पावर पॉइंट पे आप स्लाइड बना रहे हो, उसी टाइम पे आपने क्या कर रहे हो, आपने म्यूजिक ऑन कर दिया तो आपका उधर म्यूजिक भी चल रहा है, उधर आप वर्क भी कर रहे हो. तो दिस इज द वर्साटाइल फीचर. मीन्स कि जैसे किसी किसी में क्या होता है कि वर्साटाइल फीचर कि कोई स्टूडेंट है, मान लीजिए पढ़ने में भी वो बहुत अच्छा है, वो खेलने में भी उसकी बहुत अच्छी है, ठीक है, सिंगिंग अच्छा है. तो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वालिटीज दैट है. The same thing is in the case of computer. Computer has the versatility feature. Now next is your reduction in manpower. By the use of computer you can reduce the number of people. Means एक कंप्यूटर 10 लोग अगर कोई काम कर रहे हैं तो कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा, वो एक कंप्यूटर से या 2 कंप्यूटर से ही वर्क हो जाएगा आपका. Sorry students. Now I open the next page. Every student purchase the book and when online class is going on, so open your book and जो मैं जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ आप उस पेज को ओपन करते जाइए. I will explain by the book. Next strength of your computer is reduction in paperwork. Paperwork with the use of computers, a large amount of paper wastage can be prevented in any organization. अब जब कंप्यूटर नहीं था तो क्या होता था कि लोग पेपर में फाइल वगैरह बना के स्टोर करते थे. पूरा ऑफिस आपने देखा होगा पूरा फाइल से भरा रहता था. अब आपने देखा होगा कोई भी ऑफिस है उसमें कोई फाइल्स वगैरह नहीं रहती अगर उधर कंप्यूटर यूज हो रहा है. तो उससे क्या होगा, पेपर वर्क में क्या होगा, रिडक्शन हो गई, कमी आ गई. नाउ next is your limitation of a computer. Limitation means what are the drawbacks of a computer. Limited ability to think. Although with the advent of AI, what is AI? Artificial intelligence. Computers now have the ability to take decisions to some extent on their own. As compared to human intelligence, computers still have a long way to go. As far as the scope of AI is concerned, it is yet debatable and limited. Computers still cannot fully think and decide like humans do. Computers cannot think on its own. जैसे ह्यूमन अपने आप कुछ सोच सकता है, कंप्यूटर अभी ये वैसा नहीं करता. और सेकेंड लिमिटेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज योर डिपेंडेंस ऑन पावर. पावर का डिपेंडेंस है कि विदाउट पावर you cannot operate the computer. Computer is an electronic machine and thus its depends on power makes it costly.